The poem From a Railway Carriage is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He has written this poem when one day he was traveling to somewhere by train. During his journey, he was so amazed by the speed of the train and the scenery outside the window that it made him to write this poem. He has written this poem so expressively that every time we read it, we feel as if we are traveling along with him on his railway carriage. In this poem, the boy says that the train traveled much faster than the imaginary characters like fairies and witches. He saw bridges, houses, hedges, and ditches along the way. The boy felt the train was moving forward very speedily, just like the soldiers in a battlefield ready to attack the enemies. He says while the train was moving, it left behind the green fields where the horses and the cattle were grazing. The poet also says that all the scenes of the hill and the plain were being crossed by the train as quick as one drop of rain follows another drop in a storm. Again and again, in a very short moment, the train was crossing the stations with a whistle. From the window of compartment of the train, the buildings of the stations were seen as painted pictures. The poet says that from the window of compartment of the train, he saw a child climbing a steep ground by himself with difficulty and gathering blackberries. He saw a homeless person who was looking at the train with amazement. He had also seen some ladies who were making garlands of daisy flowers. The poet says that he has seen a car moving slowly in the middle of a highway. It was full of load and a car driver was sitting on the top of the land. Finally, he saw a watermill and a river while traveling in the train. All these objects appeared and then disappeared so quickly that the poet looked at them for a second and they can never be seen again. Just like the moving train, our lives are also moving very fast. We see different kind of things from the compartment of the train. Similarly, we experience different kind of situations in our lives within a very short period of time. So, we should always try to enjoy and experience each and every moment of our life, because we would never know or realize when our moving train, that is, our life, stops at its station.